Minister of Foreign Affairs, Ambassador Yusuf Maitama Tuga, don meet with Secretary Hans-Leo Cacdac from Philippines Department of Migrant Workers to boast how dem go take protect and care for migrant workers. Our Abuja Tori person, Rose Njagu, yarn us say as Ambassador Tuga dey talk to Tori people for Abuja, him reconfirm say Naija dey committed to protect the rights and welfare of migrant workers, especially the overseas Filipino workers, OFWs, wey dey Naija. Minister Tuga welcome Secretary Cacdac and him people and talk say Naija go stand gidigba with the Philippines to make sure say migrant workers dey safe. He still talk say dem ready to work together for humanitarian and policy level so OFWs go dey protected. He add say this kind collaboration go also help make Naija people wey dey abroad get better protection.
What we're trying to do also is to ensure that when our workers go abroad, they go with dignity, with respect, and we have a lot to learn from the Philippines because Philippines, in terms of human resource, has been a leader. We've had Filipinos working in Nigeria for a very long time. Many of us were taught by Filipinos, particularly STEM in secondary schools, some even primary schools. We have Filipinos working in the aviation sector, in the maritime sector, and it's something that we're looking to strengthen and to learn from each other. We have discussed during our engagements the subject of the Technical Aid Corps, which is under the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, which sends out Nigerian professionals to African, Caribbean, and Pacific countries. It's been doing that since 1987. So this provides us something to build on.
For him own side, Secretary Hans-Leo Cacdac thank the government for the way dem dey try ensure say Filipino workers for Naija dey safe and dey treated well. He talk say the Philippines wan build stronger relationship with Naija to promote OFW rights and welfare, from labor protection to consular service, and even make sure say workers fit move safe.
We're thankful to the Nigerian government. We expressed this to Minister Yusuf in terms of providing the necessary protection for the well-being of our workers here. And we seek better ways, stronger ways to deepen our bilateral labor relations. We have expressed the humble wish to have a migrant workers office here in Abuja in terms of further deepening our relations, and of course also making ourselves present as directed by the President. Our specific programs and services that we could provide to our own people here in Nigeria and to their families back home.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohi Femi Onosimo, TMC News.